Hello everyone, in this video series we are going to discuss about bleeding disorders. So before going to detail into the bleeding disorders, let us recapitulate about the hemostasis. Okay, so now whenever there is a breach in the blood vessel, uh, it may be due to external injury. Suppose there is an external injury and due to which there is a breach in the blood vessel. So what are the events that occur after this external injury? Let us discuss about them. This hemostasis, if you look at this name, hemo means blood, stasis means after the injury there will be a certain mechanism through which no blood uh, that limits the bleeding. Okay, stasis occur in this process. So what happens that this hemostasis has three components. Number one, vasoconstriction. So vasoconstriction, it is an intrinsic property of the blood vessel. So vasoconstriction is the intrinsic property of the blood vessel. And the second one, that is platelet plaque formation. Platelet plaque formation. So this platelet plaque formation which occur in this case, it's a temporary phenomenon. Okay, the third event that occur in the process of hemostasis is activation of coagulation cascade. Coagulation cascade activation. So all these three events occur one after another during the process of hemostasis. So let us discuss in detail about these three steps of hemostasis. So first let us discuss about temporary platelet plug formation. Okay, suppose injury occurs in the blood vessel and there is a breach formation. Okay, and I am describing the blood vessel. I am drawing the blood vessel in this way. Suppose this is the blood vessel and these are the endothelial cells. Okay, blood vessel is lined by the endothelial cell. Now due to external injury there is a breach and bleeding occurs. Whenever there is injury within the endothelial cell, there will be expression of von Willebrand factor within the endothelial cell. So there will be expression of von Willebrand factor. Now whenever there is expression of von Willebrand factor, it will interact with the platelet. How it will interact with the platelet? There will be expression of glycoprotein 1b at the surface of the platelet. This glycoprotein 1b molecule binds with von Willebrand factor, and this interaction causes adhesion of the platelet molecules. Okay, so platelet molecule adhere to the surface of the endothelium. Now there is bleeding occurring, so it's an emergency to the system, to the body. It is an emergency situation, so body will activate SOS. So body will call for help, Now these platelet molecules will ask help from their friends. Okay, so who are the friends of platelet? These platelet, the friends of these platelets are another other platelets that is circulating within the blood. Okay, so these platelet will interact with other platelet through a molecule. Before going into that, a certain changes occur within the platelet. We call this is as activation. We call it as activation. So what happens here? There are certain structural alteration occur within these platelets. Okay, certain structural alteration. So what are the alteration? Alteration is that these platelet molecule which are bound to von Willebrand factor, this expresses glycoprotein 2 molecules. At first glycoprotein 1b, glycoprotein 2b. ठीक है. So along with that there is degranulation process occur. That means platelet releases ADP, thromboxane A2, and along with that glycoprotein 2b molecule expresses on the surface of the platelet. Now these platelets binds to other platelet through two molecules, glycoprotein 2b and and certain molecule that we call it as fibrinogen. So this is the fibrinogen molecule and these are the glycoprotein 2b. So there will be aggregation of platelet, and that is how more platelet attaches and there will be a formation of platelet plaque, that is temporary platelet plaque formation occurs. So this is the initial process. This is the second step of the of hemostasis, that is platelet plaque formation, and the next step is the activation of coagulation cascade, and that is how these platelet plaques are strengthened. Okay, so we will discuss about the coagulation cascade, activation of coagulation and process, that is activation of intrinsic pathway or extrinsic pathway or common on pathway in the next video.